to our YouTube channel Simple Food. Today we are making Parisian salad and the list of ingredients will be below this video. We will be mixing all ingredients together, starting with minced onion. We are saving time and our eyes with the help of this little kitchen helper, hand food processor. Next, add minced pickles. A little bit of pickle juice is fine, but if it is too much, drain it before adding to our mixing bowl. Next comes soft salami. We are using bologna. Start by slicing the salami in half lengthwise and then slice it into thin pieces. Drain your can of sweet peas before you add them. We don't want our salad to be watery. Half teaspoon of Dijon mustard. Any Dijon mustard will do. Just don't use the regular yellow mustard. The difference in taste is a big one. Add the mayonnaise. We recommend the Hellmann's. Doesn't have the bad aftertaste like some others. Pinch of salt and black ground pepper. Now we are ready to mix everything well together. If you need to, add more mayonnaise. Depending on your taste, add more sweet peas. Don't forget to mix it again if you are adding something. Transfer our Parisian salad into a Tupperware for easier storage. Or if your mixing bowl has a lid, even better. Store in a fridge. Parisian salad is best served cold next day with French baguette or French or Italian bread. Bon appetit! Let us know in the comments how did you like it. Thank you for watching.